hey there, you Meckies. How frustrating is it to be opening up switches with an old screwdriver or your fingernails? Oh, the pain. And then when you do take it apart, you have nowhere to put it. Oh my gosh, the agony. Well, coming to a mailbox near you from Amazon.com, the best $20 you've ever spent in your life. Ooh. The switch keycap holder thing for lubing them. Hey! Hey everyone, Jedi Luke here. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today I want to make a short video and tell you Meckies or mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, whatever you want to call yourself, about the best $20 that you can spend on Amazon right now. So the other day I was on Amazon looking for a tool to help take my switches apart because I was getting really sick and tired of using a tiny little screwdriver. It was too frustrating. So I was looking for one of these because I've been poking my fingers way too many times on these copper prongs and getting my nail beds just destroyed by these switches. And while I was on there, I saw a suggestion for something that was $20 and I was like, there's no way that's $20. And this is what we're talking about. So this is a little stand when you are gonna be lubing your switches. So it allows you somewhere to put your bottom shelf, it allows you somewhere to put your stem and your spring, and it comes with the tools to actually go through and lube and help you hold it. So let me take some switches apart and show you just how nice this little thing is.